Moment of truce. Oh shit. You're good. No damage, yeah. Yeah, very good.
Yeah, took no damage.
I told you, Turtle is busted for this fight. He's about to go crazy, by the way. He's on half health. He's gonna do his ult thing. Yep. Spammy! Do you hear my keyboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, I took no damage. Thank you. Easy. Clutch as hell. Yeah, if you just get me up, I can like solo the dimension portal pretty much.
I'm trying to break the U-hook.
I'm just killing the dimension portal real quick. Yeah, I killed it. Oh, I was so clutch of you. Any buffs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just shoot, like, hit them from here.
I don't know if I'm beating
Oh, he's invincible.
Yeah, I don't think my melee hit.
I can melee him from
Now,
now. Oh shit, I took damage.
oh, I'm dying.
Oh, he's invincible. I think he's gonna suck now. Yeah. But pounds do the trick.
Wait, I just died through that.
What? Oh, can you use your thing? I died too.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
Um,
I got it.